Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lexi. If you don't already know, if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. If you're not new, welcome back. Alright guys, what's up? So as you guys can tell, I got a full face of makeup on. I am loving it. I love me a good cakey face. Like, I know, okay, maybe not too cakey, but I love me a full coverage face, and that's what I did today. I haven't done like a full coverage face in a while, so today I was just in the mood to pack on some foundation, concealer. I even did a what's it called, liquid contour or cream contour, and I am loving it, you guys. I feel like I'm low-key getting better at doing eyebrows because girl, I at eyebrows. But anyways, you guys, for today's video, as you guys can tell from the title of the video, we are going to be doing a bonfire, probably the last bonfire of the summer. So we're just gonna go all out. We have some friends, we have some family that we're all gonna go together, and then traditionally, we just did this one time last time. We went to Denny's. So after like being, it's the Monterey Beach, by the way, so these are the vibes, right? The vibes are very cute, they're foggy, they're elegant, like they're cute. Like, I love Monterey, and if you know, you know. So that's why we are gonna be going to Monterey. But anyways guys, outfit time. So I have an outfit. I was cleaning my room earlier and I was just vibing, you know, just vibing, and I just got an outfit together. It's very maroon, so let me show you guys my outfit that I plan to wear tonight. So this is the outfit. These are Target yogas, and they're just boot cut. So I really like these. And these are in the size medium, I think. Yeah, medium. And then we have this jacket right here, thrifted. It's a thermal. I know you guys can see a stain right there, but just ignore it. And then the back, it's so cute. I love it. I absolutely love this. And then I'm just gonna be wearing like a white, like wife beater, a white tee, and then these glasses, jewelry. That is my outfit. The outfit's mostly giving like fashion because I did want to take some pictures, but usually I don't really go all out if we're gonna go to a bonfire, especially up at Monterey, because it is cold, it is windy. Like, your makeup's not gonna look good for sure, your hair's not gonna look good. That's why I'm not doing my hair. I am gonna do it, but I'm not gonna leave it down. I usually have like blankets all over me, so you're not gonna see the fit. Glasses, this is all just for a pic, you know, just for the vibe. But when we get there, it's blankets and lots of jackets. So let's just go ahead and put this outfit on. I've actually never have worn this outfit together, like an all maroon fit, so I'm kind of excited. Yeah girl, let's change. This is the outfit. We got all maroon going on. Maroon, it's like the perfect shade maroon too. The sweater's not too light or dark, or these are way too light or dark. These are like the perfect maroon. And then my sweater, of course, very bedazzled in the back. And then my glasses are always a statement. The Playboy necklace, 99-cent store earrings that say A. My baby top purse, that is the perfect maroon as well. I usually always like to add like a pop of color into my outfits, but I feel like this just needed to happen. It just had to happen. But yeah, you guys, I like my outfit, but I just hate that I did not have time to do my hair. And it's not that I don't even have time, it's like, why do my hair? You know what I mean? It's like, why? But I think maybe, actually, a clip. Okay, perfect. You know what? Now I'm gonna redo the TikTok I was making because I didn't have a clip. Okay guys, anyways, as I was finishing my TikTok, make sure to follow me on TikTok, girl. I've been popping off lately. I'm posting lots of TikToks like twice a day, so make sure to check it out. I do daily vlogs, makeup vlogs, cleaning, cooking, basically whatever I do here, I do on TikTok as well. But anyways guys, let's take another closer look at my outfit. I'm already sweating the house, you guys, but I know that's not gonna last all night because like I said, the beach is very, very cold. My hair is gonna get messed up, my makeup's gonna get messed up. All this is gonna get messed up, so soak it up. I'm also gonna be taking pictures outside, so let's put our little accessories on. Oh my god, I just love these glasses. I'm so happy that I found these with you guys. I don't think I found, no, yeah, bitch, I found them with you guys in this vlog. So if you guys are interested in knowing how I thrift almost everything, you guys. So this sweater is thrifted, and yeah, you guys, I remember getting this. This is one of my first very favorites. I also have a white one that's very similar to this one, and then this isn't thrifted, it's just a regular, like, you know, wife beater. And then this is from some girl that I found on Instagram. She hooked me up, and then these are from 99. These are thrifted. And then this lovely purse, this was given to me from a friend, and I am obsessed. I love, one of my favorite bags ever. But anyways, guys, let's go ahead and get a jacket, girl, because it's gonna get cold. I'm gonna take one of these, like OG, no, like literal OG that sweaters. I remember back in the day when me and my boyfriend were first like meeting and stuff, he would like wear these a lot. So I have like three of these that are his, and I'm just gonna be like cuddled up all cute. Like, do you remember when we first started dating? I would always take all your jackets. Bitch, they're still here, so yeah. But I'm gonna take this one. I know it's also like a vibe with like the maroon and stuff. The boys did go to the store, so we're just waiting for them, so might as well go try to take some pics. I got the pics, I got the TikTok, I got the vlog going, and now I need some pics. So we're booked and busy, baby. This is what happens every time I get ready. Like, it's everywhere. Okay. Hi, baby. Wow. Outfit of the day. Woohoo! Sus. 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 It almost has potential to be good. It almost has potential to be actually good. It's not disgusting.
Did you get the elementary school?
vibes.
Oh my god.
A baby one.
Oh, we got the skinwalker, the deer, Scott. Because you know how it could transform into animals?
Oh my god, he's hella staring.
Bro, what if it wants to get us?
Jumps on the hood.
I know. Disappears. Fuck.
Heck no.
We're going to Denny's. Alright guys, so we've been in the car for like an hour already because it was just literally not the vibe. Like, it looked like a vibe, it was a vibe, but first of all, it was so windy. Everybody needed to go bathroom. Baby was crying. There was beetles all over our blankets. It was actually like,
There's a beetle on this blanket?
I think so.
No, it was on that one.
Yeah, they were everywhere. So we just decided to come back.
Yeah, that one.
We decided to come back to the car, so we've been sitting here for like an hour, and low-key it's been so scary. Like, scary, you guys. Like, let me show you guys. We were sitting in my mom's truck, untinted, you guys, and it was just not the vibe.
Stalker.
I mean, it was the vibe, but like,
Scary.
for only like 20 minutes.
You're watching SIGHN.
And then like, here's a road, and it was literally just us sitting here for like an hour, and like, look, y'all, the windows ain't tinted, so not very fun. I was literally like this the whole time, just in case like somebody came. I was like ready to book it.
Carlos is talking like right here.
Oh, it's already